Name became me with Roof Masters of Arizona. I am at Jamie Cantrall's house. Claim number is 030B as in boy, 1, F as in Frank, 443. What I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on the shingles. It's all marked from me and the adjuster when we were here. This is an Owens Corning Oak Ridge Desert Sand. So I went and I bought the exact shingle right here, Owens Corning Desert Ridge or Desert Tan Oak Ridge. The dimensions are the exact same. I even double checked it before I came out here to start. So what I'm going to be doing is with proper tools and proper care, pry bar, shingle snake. I have my 1.25 inch nails, tape measure. This is a steep roof, so I'm gonna put everything back in my belt before I start doing this repair attempt, because if not, it'll just start flying off the roof. Hold on to these. With the other hand. Drop that. There you go. All right. So in order to do this repair, I have to clear this one out. This is the one that you guys marked. Obviously, you can see the wind damage on it. So I need to do this one and this one in order to loosen it out with all the fasteners. Okay. So. Typically, with a roof like this, with shingles like this, it's about six fasteners per shingle. One went through the shingle right here. Just completely went through it because it's, you know, brittle and old. But I don't need that one. Trying to go more than 45 degrees, if you noticed. Fastener. 6, 7, 8. I mean, there's 10 penetrations just in this one shingle. A lot of granule loss on that. So here is Owens Corning Oak Ridge. Okay. Shingle snake. You can already see the granule loss happening here, here, along the entire amount. So causing damage, more damage. Not lifting up the shingle more than 45 degrees. Now it's clear. Look. Not looking too good. Yeah. Yeah, that's all bad. So, from one shingle repair, which was this one, I now have to do a second one and a third one. Yeah, this is unrepairable, so I'm calling this a failure. I will send detailed pictures. It's all the damage from repairing one shingle. Thank you for your attention to this matter.